Hello, and welcome to Oscar Training for Recommenders. I will be your online guide, walking you through how to create a recommendation letter in Oscar. If you have pending recommendation requests, you will see them on your homepage. To respond, click the View All link, or on the left navigation, select the Recommendations drop-down and click Pending Requests. Oscar will display your Fill Recommendation Request page. To view only your active pending requests, select the Has Pending Recommendations filter. Click Yes and click Apply. Next, click Submit Recommendation below the applicant's name you wish to select. Oscar will open the three-step process fulfilling the request. In Step 1, Fill Recommendation, select the judge or staff attorney office you wish to send your recommendation letter to. Next, you will have the option to enter your letter into the online editor. You can also upload a pre-written letter as a PDF or Word file. Once the online editor is selected, you have the option to type or copy and paste your letter or select an existing template if you have one. In this example, we will not select a template. Oscar's online editor will display a text box with a pre-formatted salutation block. Do not change the words in brackets, which we call merge fields, as Oscar will automatically replace these words with the date, name, and address of the judge or staff attorney office to whom it is sent. All you need to do is either type out a letter or copy and paste your letter into the online editor text box. These letters will be stored in Oscar under the Documents tab. When you have finished creating your letter, click the Next Review button to proceed to the next step. Oscar opens to Step 2, Review Recommendation. If you need to make additional changes, click the pencil icon next to the Review Recommendation title. You can preview the letter you've created by clicking the PDF icon next to the recipient's name to see how the letter will look to a judge or staff attorney office. Next, choose whether to allow the letter to attach automatically to additional applications from the applicant. So, if the applicant creates more applications and includes you as the recommender, Oscar will automatically add the letter you've just created to those applications. You can select to have the letter of recommendation automatically append until a specific date for up to 12 months from the date of submission. The date can be changed later. Select Submit Recommendation once ready. Oscar will indicate that the letter has been successfully submitted, and the applicant will receive an indication that you have completed their letter of recommendation request. We hope this video has helped to provide a better understanding of how to create recommendation letters in Oscar. For more information, please visit the Oscar training page for more videos and resources. If you need additional assistance, please feel free to contact us by email or phone, as provided at the end of this video.